हाय फ्रेंड, आज आपण स्टेरिओकेमिस्ट्री टॉपिक 1 हा युनिट सेकंडमधून पाहणार आहोत. दॅट इज फर्स्ट टॉपिक स्टेरिओकेमिस्ट्री 1. In this topic, we have to discuss the introductory part of molecular chirality, then some element of symmetry. In stereochemistry, there is three-dimensional study of organic molecules. Three-dimensional study of organic molecules. Molecules like it also known as chemistry of space. Chemistry of space, and it deals with spatial arrangement of atoms and group in a molecules. Spatial arrangement of atoms or groups in a molecules. Due to spatial arrangement of atoms or group in a molecules, few compounds exist in a isomeric form. Isomers having same structure but differing in their spatial arrangement. Spatial arrangement that is having different configurations. Different molecule, like suppose these are the compound bonded tetrahedral compounds. These are the atoms A, B, C and D. Okay, these are the centered carbon bonded with these four different groups, and these molecules having 3D structure, three-dimensional structure. Therefore, this molecule can be given as a second isomeric form. That is, the all groups are same but the structure of these molecules are different. That is, they differ in the structural form. Like in these two groups, that is group B and group D, they are changing its positions to form the second isomeric structure, that is A and C, then D and B, that is 180 displacement from the one atom to the second groups to give two possible structural form. These structures known as stereoisomeric molecules. That is, these are the optical form of compounds. These are the optical isomer. It also known as non-superimposable structure, that is not mirror image, and this such molecule, they do not have any element of symmetry, are called as asymmetric molecules. It also called as asymmetric asymmetric molecules. That means in this molecule there is no any element of symmetry. The element of symmetry, that is plane of symmetry, center of symmetry, and alternate axis of symmetry, the all three symmetry, these molecules they do not passing all these three uh, symmetric operations. So therefore this molecule called as asymmetric molecules or non-superimposable mirror image compounds or optical isomerisms. The second form of stereoisomers like geometrical isomerisms, the molecule like the double bonded compound, that is restricted rotated compounds A, B, that is A, B. These are the double bonded compounds. Their geometrical isomerisms. Like now, see the bonded group atoms nature in this space. These both groups, A group, same group present in the same side of double bonds, or B group present on the same side of double bond. This molecule known as cis compounds, and the another possible structure of these molecules like that is same groups AA, and these are the B, the same group present in the opposite with each others in this space. Therefore this molecule known as trans molecules. Okay, that means the molecule having same atoms or group but they differ in the spatial arrangement of the group of atoms. So therefore this molecule known as geometrical isomerisms, and these are the optical isomerisms. The stereoisomerisms, stereochemistry, there are two possible isomeric structure, that is optical isomerisms and geometrical isomerisms. That is the form of isomerism is geometrical isomers. In the geometrical isomerisms, it gives the two form of isomerism, that is cis and trans isomeric form. That is the restricted rotatory molecules, double bonded compounds, the group same group present on the same side of double bonds, that is cis molecules, and same group they are present in the opposite to each other in the molecules. These molecule known as trans molecules. In optical isomerisms, the centered carbon atom bonded four different groups, that is the A, B, C, D. Therefore, this molecule also known as chiral molecules, that is asymmetric carbon atoms. It also known as tetrahedral molecules, the chiral molecules or chiral molecules. Chiral molecules, and these are the chiral carbon atoms. Uh, the chiral carbon atoms usually lead to form molecular chirality, that is optical active molecules. Okay, the optical activity of the molecule due to there is non-superimposable mirror image compounds. The non-superimposable mirror image compounds, like suppose the compound, if you have taken the letter A and it placed in front of mirror, it can reflect as a letter A. The image of the letter A also A, and if you place the letter P, but the image of letter P gives Q. That is the relation between this object and mirror image is known as non-superimposable compound. Non-superimposable molecules, and the object and mirror image relationship is the same, is known as identical molecules, identical compounds. Okay, these are the optically inactive form, these are the optical active form. That is non-superimposable mirror image is optical active molecules, and superimposable mirror image molecules, that is identical molecules, they do not give any stereoisomeric form, that is optically inactive molecules. Then second point, molecular chirality. Second point, molecular chirality. In this, when molecule contain one chiral centers, like these molecules, there is one chiral centers carbon, the center carbon atom bonded four different groups. Therefore, this molecule contain one chiral centers or one asymmetric carbon atoms. Therefore, it exists two enantiomeric form. That is, these are the one form of molecules, and these are the mirror image, another form of molecules. This molecule known as enantiomeric form, enantiomers, that is two optical active form, dextrorotatory as well as levorotatory molecules. That is D form and L form of these optical active compounds. How it is? Now see, if you have separate these molecules by numbering or by grouping, then this molecule can be rotated uh, toward the plane polarized light as a right right hand. This molecule known as D molecules. If it rotate left hand side, then this molecule known as L molecules. That is two optical active form possible for these molecules. It known as dextrorotatory molecules and levorotatory molecules. These optical form molecules can be represented by two configurations which bear the relationship of object and mirror image, and they are non-superimposable mirror image. However, in case of molecule which contain two or more chiral centers, okay, now these are the example of one chiral center molecules, and they do not possessing any element of symmetry, that is they are non superimposable mirror image compounds. It give two form of optical isomerisms, that is D form and L form. But in case of molecule contain more than one chiral centers, it is found that under certain conditions they exist in a optically inactive, that is non resolvable form, that is mesotartaric acids. For example, if you have taken an example of two chiral centers, like suppose these are the molecules COH, OH, COH, H, H, OH. This molecule contain, there are two chiral centers because of this carbon contain this carbon is a chiral center, this again one another chiral center. That means there are two chiral centers uh, due to four different group, 1 2 3, and these are the group, four different group. Therefore two chiral centers we can numbered as 1 2 3 and 4. These two chiral centers molecules exist, there are four isomeric form according to number of chiral centers. The one chiral center give two isomeric form. Therefore in this there are two chiral centers, it give total four isomeric form. That is, these are the one, and the second, that is mirror image of these molecules, like COH, OH, H, H, OH, COH. That is mirror image of these molecules. And then the third form, that is objective, like COH, OH, OH, COH, H, H. Then mirror image of these molecules, like COH, OH, OH, H, H, COOH. Now see the nature of these molecules. Uh, this OH or this COH, they are opposite to each other. Therefore, there is no any element of symmetry, that is plane of symmetry, center of symmetry, or alternate axis of symmetry. Therefore, this first form of this molecule is optically active form, but the second form, the second structure of this molecule, if you have passing plane between these two chiral centers, the molecule can be divided by two equal part, two equal whole. Therefore, these are the optical active form. Okay, that means this molecule passing plane of symmetry, plane of symmetry molecules. Therefore, this molecule is known as mesoform, and mesoform is optically inactive form. Okay, now in case the only chirality is not essential condition for the optical active form. Okay, that means the molecule, whole molecule, it should be optical active in the form of symmetric operation as well as chirality. The another molecule like biphenyl compound, the structure of biphenyl. Biphenyl compounds, this molecule, there is absence of chiral centers, but they give optically active form due to there is no any element of symmetric molecules. Okay, therefore, thus the presence or absence of chiral center. Okay, like these are the chiral centers, these are the chiral centers. That means the presence or absence of chiral centers is a not sufficient condition for optical activity. That is, the main criteria for the optical activity is that the molecule as a whole must be chiral, that is asymmetric. It must be non superimposable on its mirror image. In other words, chirality of molecule can be determined by finding whether the molecule is superimposable on its mirror image or not. If the molecule and its mirror image are non-superimposable, then molecule is chiral. But if all the atoms and bonds in the molecule and its mirror image superimposable on each other, then this molecule is achiral. Okay, that is, these are the example of achiral molecules due to passing plane of symmetry. Due to passing plane of symmetry, non superimposable mirror image optically inactive form.